So if we go back to the dashboard, you can see here in posts, if we actually take a look at categories, that the theme has added these 3 categories for us automatically: featured, teasers, and testimonials or testimonial. And what this do is that when you add a new post and you add these different categories, they will appear in certain parts of your theme. For example, featured is going to appear in the main portion of the homepage. Teasers are those posts that are going to appear at the bottom in the footer, and then the testimonial is of course the section in the testimonial. So let's take a look at those right now. So this box here is going to be filled with the featured image of a post that has a category of featured. This section right here would be changing with any post that has been tagged as testimonial, and then the boxes here, the 3 boxes that appear down here, would be the ones that come from the teasers. So let's go ahead and add one of those. I'm just gonna add, of course, any text, and I'm gonna select it for all of them for these 3 categories, and I am going to set a featured image. Of course, in this new installation, you can just drag and drop one image to this section and it automatically uploads it to your WordPress installation. And we're gonna click here where it says use as featured image. Once that's done, we can close it and then make sure to click publish. Now let's go ahead and go back to our CoffeeTown homepage. As you can see, now it appears here in the features section. Also, it appears here in the testimonial section, and finally it appears in the first section here. Let's go ahead and do another one with the same information just to show how it transitions. So let's call this one second post, and we're going to select the 3 again. And of course you can select just one if you wanted to have it just in the feature, for example, or in the teasers or the testimonial. You can make the combinations that you prefer for your site. And in this case, I'm using as an example the same image, but of course you would change those images and use the ones that are appropriate for your website. Let's go back to the home page, and sure enough, we now have a second post here, a first post here. We have both posts showing up here in the testimonial section, as you can see, and they're transitioning one to another. And then finally we have 2 here that are transitioning as well as featured images. In our next video, we're going to take a look at the color palettes.